And then talking about like when you think about what you put into a will, so you mentioned the things that you have. Let's say that I'm like a 21-year-old out of college. I don't have a lot of stuff. Like, should I be putting my clothes in there? Like my favorite mac and cheese that I have? Like how low should we go, or like what goes in that?
So in your actual will itself, you should be speaking more generally. Um, the distinction with that would be maybe a piece of real estate if you want a specific house, or maybe a specific bank account to go to a person. I would list that in a will. If we're talking about your jewelry, your artwork, your clothes, you want to, if you're looking to identify a specific item to go to a specific person, that you should put in a document. It could be a typed or handwritten, but it should be signed, like a wet signature and dated by you, and just keep it with your will or with your important documents. The
Okay.
reason we don't recommend putting that in the will itself is that the will becomes a public document. And
Mm,
so if you have, let's just say you want to leave your engagement ring to someone, you don't necessarily want the general public to know about how many pieces of jewelry or artwork or whatever it may be. You may not want them to know that that exists because there are people that check those records and will go looking to pilfer through, people's
mhm.
homes. If you do that document and you sign it and date it, it can be as powerful as your will. Hopefully, the people that you've chosen or your family will respect your wishes, and there will be no reason for that document to be provided to a judge. But if there were a problem, right, that's why you sign and date it because it could be presented to a judge as something that's going along with your estate plan.
Okay. So big things like houses, cars, definitely in the will, but
Yeah.
smaller things just kind of do that on your own, but make sure you sign and date it. Keep it with the
Yeah,
document.
and as far as like the big items, that's the kind of thing that you could talk to an attorney about because there may be, depending on who you're looking to leave it to, there may be another way to handle that outside of your estate plan to still achieve what it is you're looking for.